Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Vega, your go-to channel for all things AI and computer vision. Today, we're diving into a fun project where we'll be working with images using Python and OpenCV. Specifically, we're going to zoom in and scale down an image of Huna from 4 minute. Let's get started. First, we need to load the image. We're using OpenCV's imread function to read our image file. CV2 is OpenCV library for image processing. NumPy is for numerical operations. Matplotlib.pyplot is for plotting images. Here, we convert the image from BGR to RGB format because OpenCV loads images in BGR by default, but Matplotlib, which we'll use for displaying the images, uses RGB format. We calculate the new dimensions for zooming the image by multiplying the original dimensions by the scale factor. Then, we use OpenCV's resize function with cubic interpolation for a smoother zoomed image. Similarly, we calculate the new dimensions for scaling down the image by dividing the original dimensions by the scale factor. This time, we use area interpolation, which is suitable for shrinking images. Finally, we use Matplotlib to display the original, zoomed, and scaled images side by side.